Blackpink VS Zombies. Let's go! Hey guys, so recently I just finished updating Bot Attack and I was planning on making a new game. I was racking my brain, listening to music, and all of a sudden, one of Blackpink's songs was playing. And then I started to imagine Blackpink holding weapons and shooting zombies. I know it sounds crazy to you, but what if, instead of being a singer, they are zombie killers? This sounds like a great game idea for me. Quick pause. I do not make any money from this game. It is totally free to play. And since I do not have permission to use any of the members' name in my game, I will be using their nickname instead. Leaving a like and subscribing to my channel will really help me out a lot. Alright, back to the main topic. So once I thought of this crazy game idea, I went straight to work. The first thing I did was the Blackpink character design. I opened up Photoshop, went to Google for some Blackpink images to guide me with my drawing, got a little distracted by Blackpink's beauty for like 5 minutes, and started drawing. Rose was the first Blackpink member I designed because she's my girlfriend's favorite. Okay, do not bash me yet. This is definitely not Rose. If I design Rose character like this, blinks are going to come after me. So I went on to draw a really simple black t-shirt and pink skirt outfit, and then I started working on Rose's hair. Once I was done with Rose, I went on to design the remaining Blackpink members. Next, I opened up the Unity game engine, imported my artwork, and started working on the character animation and player controller. So the controls for the player is pretty simple. Players will be using the standard W, A, S, D key to move around. Alright, I'm loving it already. It looks so cute. I even added some footstep sound effect to make it even better. Now that the Blackpink player character is done, it's time to design the zombies. Are you ready to see my dumb zombie designs? Yes! Here we go. Here's a zombie with worms, zombie with wings, zombie without legs, zombie with asthma, and lastly, zombie on steroids. Don't you think they look so stupid? But I love it. And similar to what I did with the player character, I imported my zombie artwork into Unity and started animating them. Let's take a look at the character and zombie animation. Now I need to give my player a weapon so that we are able to kill the zombies. And what better weapon to use than Blackpink's light stick? That's right, this will be the weapon. It will shoot out hot projectiles to damage the zombies. The shooting control is pretty simple. The weapon will rotate towards the direction of the mouse and simply left click to shoot. Alright, the zombies are really dumb right now because all they do is stand in the same position and get shot. So it's time to program the zombies. I want them to move around, chase after the player, and do some damage. So there are two kinds of zombies in this game. We have the melee zombies and the ranged zombies. Melee zombies will just chase after the player, and if you allow it to get too close to you, they will attack you. Next, we have the ranged zombies. These zombies will shoot projectiles from a distance, so pay attention to any projectiles flying towards you and avoid them. Lastly, we have the final boss, zombie on steroids. From the name itself, you can tell this zombie is a beast. I'm not going to spoil you on what this boss is able to do. Play this game for yourself and you will find out. Now that my zombies aren't that dumb anymore, I need to implement a health system for my player, and I decided to give the player 4 lives. Why 4? Well, because I'm the developer and I feel like giving 4 lives. So once the player life count reaches 0, there will be a game over panel which allows the player to either restart the game or head back to the main menu. This game consists of 10 waves of zombies. From wave 1 to 9, we have the normal zombies, and wave 10 will be the final boss. There is a slight chance that the zombies will drop power-ups or health pickup once they are destroyed. The game looks awesome, but it's lacking some sound effects. So I opened up Audacity and started recording sound effects with my own voice. Yes, you heard it right, my own voice. Alright, let's start with the shooting sound effect. So there is a really popular Blackpink song called Dudut Dudut, and it sounds like a great shooting sound effect to me. Dudut. Dudut. Okay, I sound so dumb right now. Let's take a look at the sound effect in-game. Okay, this sounds so stupid. Alright, this is too stupid. Nobody is going to play my game after hearing this. Let's go online to look for some free weapon sound effects instead. Okay, this is so much better. You won't be hearing my voice in this game, so you don't have to worry. Alright, now I need a main menu for the game. So on the main menu page, players are able to choose which character they want to use. And like I said earlier, I don't want to be sued by anyone, so I'm going to use their nicknames. For Jenny character, I will name her Jen. Rose character will be named Rosie. Lisa character will be named Lizzie. And lastly, Jisoo will be named Suya. Lastly, I added background music, particle system, and even screen shakes to bring this game to another level. And finally, the game was completed. I will be publishing this game on itch.io, so you guys can play this game on your web browser and it's totally free. I will leave a link in the description below. Damn, I suck at my own game.